Hello everyone. Today we will see how to manage grades in EduCloud. So first go to exam. Now click on the grading module. Now here to add a new grading structure, click on this add grade type button. Now add the grade name. Now select the calculation type. Now for example let's take grade based calculation. Now we need to select on what basis we need to do the calculation. We'll take percentage as example. Now you need to click on this range button. Now you need to add the grade name. So A plus, you need to add the lower limit. You need to add the upper limit. To add a new range, just click on this range button. This way you can have your entire range. Now just click on the submit button. Now a new grading structure has been created. If you want to edit, just click on this edit button under action column. You can make your changes. If you want to delete, just click on this trash icon. If you want to copy, just click on this copy button. Copy will be made. Thank you for watching.